Welcome students. In today's video I am going to explain you about measurement with their methods, means direct method and indirect method with examples. Now let's start. Measurement. Students, measurement is a fundamental basis of scientific studies and practical technology and other things. But we normally estimate the quantities as per our needs, like how much quantity of salt put in the food to make it delicious, and the quantity of sugar and many other things. And do you know, these things are not requiring any accurate measure, but some other things, like to measure the length of any object we need scale or tape. To measure the mass, means weight, we need physical balance. And the measurement of volume, we need measuring cylinder. In this way we need some device to get accurate measurement for our need. So in this way measurement is the great factor of our daily life. Then next question comes to us, what is measurement? Students, to find the unknown quantity with the help of known quantity is called measurement. For example, if you want to measure the length of cloth, you need a tape, and tape has known quantity and cloth has unknown quantity. So you are measuring the length of cloth with the help of known quantity, means tape. So in this way the measurement is to find the unknown quantity with the help of known quantity. But every object is not measured in same way. That is why we have two methods, direct method and indirect method. In first method, students, normally we use scale or tape to measure the length of any object, physical balance to measure the weight of any object, and the measure of volume of any object with the help of measuring cylinder. So here we are using the device to get accurate measurement directly. So that is why this type of method is called direct method. In this way, the measurement in which we use scale, tape, etc. to measure the length of any object is called direct method of measurement. Now in second method, students, some objects are not measured with the help of this device. Okay, just imagine, if you want to measure the thickness of page, what will you do? Okay, I am explaining you. First of all, to measure the thickness of page, it is not possible to measure with the help of scale. That's why I am using whole book, whole thickness of all the pages of the book with the help of scale. Okay, then I got the measure, then divide this measure with total number of pages which I just measured with the help of scale. Then you will get the correct measure of the thickness of page. So in this way we are using a similar figure and proportions to find a measure. In this way, indirect method is a technique of similar figures and proportions to find measure. And indirect method is used to measure the small lengths of object. Thank you.